Hello guys, recently I have been struggling with in YouTube that I have chose the dark theme, but when I refresh the page or reopen the YouTube, it always reset into the light theme. So I can't keep the YouTube in dark theme, always it has been resetting. So let me show you how can you fix that. Okay, first I have Google how to clear cache in Chrome. So as that steps, I'm going to more tools and clear cache. And in this section, I'm going to the advanced section, and there are some options you can choose how you can clear the cache. Look carefully what are the options I have been enabling and disabling. I have chosen all time and I have disabled autofill and the passwords. So I don't want to remove those things. I just want to clear the site settings and other things. So I have unselected password and autofill data. Like this, and now I'm starting to clear the data. So now this will be cleared my browser histories and cache, and now I have restart the browser again, and I'm going to the YouTube. Still it is in the light mode. Then I'm switching to my YouTube account, awesome to its YouTube channel, because I have clear my browser cache. I have to sign up again. Okay, so now it is still in the light mode, and I'm going to change it to the dark theme. Alright, now it is in dark theme. Now I'm going to open the YouTube again, and as you can see, now it stays as the dark theme. So now the theme is not going to change whether I refresh or I open the YouTube again. So now the problem has been fixed like this. I'm going to show you by opening a video. Okay, so now it has been fixed. So thank you for watching, and I will be back.